We have a problem here that is involving the percent increase. So what we're going to do is read the problem and figure out what approach we're going to take to solve. The problem reads, on her first visit to the veterinarian, Bella the dog weighed 36 pounds. By her second visit, she had gained 8 pounds. On her third visit, she gained another 10 pounds. What is the percent increase in Bella's weight since her first visit to the veterinarian? All right, to calculate the percent increase, we're going to use the equation, the new value minus the original value divided by the original value multiplied by 100. Now, the new value minus the original value will just give you the overall increase. And then we express that as a fraction compared to the original value. That is going to give us a decimal figure, and then we're going to convert that into a percentage by multiplying by 100. So it says in the problem on the first visit that the dog weighed 36 pounds. So this number right here is the original value, or where we started. Notice that the word original has the word origin in it, which means where we begin. And then on the second visit, the vet sees that the dog gained 8 pounds. So the dog is now 44 pounds. And on the third visit, the dog had gained another 10 pounds, which puts that dog at 54 pounds. And this right here is the new value. So what we're going to do is plug these two numbers into our equation. So if we take 54, which is our new value, minus 36, the original value, that will give us the overall weight gain. And then we divide that by the original amount of 36. All right, the difference between these two weights is 18 pounds, which is the overall weight gain. And then we divide that by 36. Now 18 is exactly half of 36, which means that this is going to be equal to 0.5. And if we move that decimal 2 places to the right by multiplying by 100, that would give us 50. So we can see that this dog had a 50% increase in her weight from the first visit to the vet to the last visit.